I still throw in like every conversation. I just did it. So it's had a lasting impact. Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattoo Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Today we are doing a kit lineup. I missed my January one because I didn't have everything in because I either ordered too late or the shipping times were too long. And so we are back and it's February and I'm ready to share with you all of the kits and stickers I'm going to be using this month. Let's start with my everyday planner, my A5 undated plum paper vertical priorities planner. So there are 4 weeks in February and I have 4 different sets of stickers to use. The first one is like going to be Gilmore Girls themed. So I have this sheet. This is like the inspiration for this spread. This is called Rory's Guys and it has some cute little hearts and different things. And then I've got these 2 little quote sheets. This one is Rory, this one is Lorelai, and these are going to be really fun. I think I'm going to grab like some yellow washi or something to like bring out that yellow to kind of add to this because I will need like some kind of washi or something to go with it. But I think this will be a cute like spread and things to work with here. Then we've got this kit from Hand Can Plan. I think this one is called Love You More or something like that. It doesn't have it on here anywhere, but these are the 2 sheets I'm going to be working with. This one has tons of boxes on it. This one has like the journaling stuff. I really like the date covers. It has numbers, which is really nice. Got some little flags, little torn pieces, and I think this is going to be plenty for what I need to work with for that week. Then this is just kind of a traditional journaling kit. This one is from Lexi Kylie Designs called Roses, and it's really pretty. It's got like the traditional Valentine's theme, which I thought would be fun for that week. Plus it's got like all this black and white stuff, which is really fun. And these little date covers are so cute. I just love this, and it's going to be super fun to work with because these are my favorite journaling kits ever. And then we've got Nikki plus 3. Her kits are also great. And this one is called Home Sweet Home, I think. But I just really like the colors, and I thought it was like fun for February, like Valentine's colors. I was really just drawn to this one because of the colors. They're just so pretty. I love all the purples with the light green. And then this sheet was like a little freebie, but I'm just going to keep it with this little kit because everything matches and it's super cute. So that's going to be the last little kit that I'm going to be using for the month in my everyday planner. And then we have my 7x9 Sadie Stickers memory planner. And this one is more of a traditional like A5 wide vertical, and I use lots of like vertical kits in it. It has been a while since I used a Sadie Stickers monthly, but this one was just so pretty. I love the colors in it. It's just so beautiful, and this is like reminiscent of this kit over here, but I just love the colors, and she's like redesigned these, which is really fun. And I love the rose gold, so pretty and like fitting for the month. But here is the first page. Then we've got this page with some full boxes, some numbers, and then like holidays down here. I love the fonts she's using, really pretty. Lots of boxes here, sidebar sticker. And then there's also this little sheet that comes with it with the days of the week, some little scripts on there, really pretty. So that's going to be fun to use for like my highlights spreads. Then we've got this kit from Scribble Prints Co. It's like my last winter kit. I love like spring kits and fall kits. They're my favorite, but I do love a winter kit sometimes. And this one is so pretty. It's very neutral and very cozy like the name implies, but I just really like the colors and the whole theme of it. It's just really pretty. This is the mini kit version. It's perfect for my memory planning. And you get lots of boxes with her kits now. Glitter headers, boxes. This is the only boxes page, and I wish that there were like some true half boxes and maybe like some solid boxes. And I know that comes in her like her full kit. I can't justify the price of that for my own memory planning, but I do love her kits. They're really fun. This one, I don't know what kind of foil I'm going to use. I would guess silver, I think would be the best. But the only thing with her kits now is like you kind of got to use foil with it, which I know is the trend. It's just not like my thing necessarily to use all the time, but it's nice to mix it up. So that is the Cozy Winter Kit. For the second week, I've got baguettes and berets. This is a mini kit from Jessica Hart's, and it is so cute. I love the theme of this. The colors are so pretty and fun, like kind of unexpected for like Valentine's, but I love like the dark colors with the light colors mixed in. I just think that's a really pretty contrast. Got some date covers here, glitter headers. That bottom washi is so pretty. And then some extra boxes and little things here. Another box there, which is really nice. I just think this one is gorgeous, and I can't wait to use this one. Okay, then we have this fun kit from Caress Press called In Bloom. You'll know that I love variety in my kits. I really admire people who can like stick to a theme in their planner and like do it all the time, but for me, I get bored and I love having variety, and this one is so different from the others. So bright and fun, really like springish, which in my planner around this time, I tend to shift to spring kits. So we start with like a winter kit. We kind of go into some darker colors. We go full like bright colors for the last two right on into March, which is fun. Like that color combo is one of my favorites. The patterns are so cute. I just love it. It's so bright and fun. Very like kind of retro and like 60s, but I really like it a lot. So fun. And then there's a couple of extra boxes here, which I think I will throw in one of those because that's really cute. Okay, so that is In Bloom by Caress Press. Then we have a total like left turn. This is Share by Scribble Friends Co. and it is super fun. So this one has like lots of extra boxes that I added on. So here are the full boxes. I think Clueless came around at like just the right time in my formidable years. That like it's like imprinted on my memory, just like Empire Records is. And like this movie brings back so many good memories, like sleepovers, and like we talked like this. I still throw in like every conversation. I just did it. So it's had a lasting impact and I love it so much. It's just funny every time I watch it. And I just think this is going to be super fun. I love the bright colors. The patterns are really fun. It's just so cute. And then I have these extra half boxes, which are super fun. And I'm going to have to throw in some of these because they are perfect. I love this one and this one and that one. Like, I love all of them. They're just so cute. And I love this size. It's really fun. And then there's a couple of extra boxes here. I just love this. It's just kind of a little escape for a week. And I love it. All right, that's everything that I'm going to be using in February. Stay tuned. You will see videos on most of these. If not, you'll see them in flip throughs and stuff. But I'm so excited to get into all of these bright, fun kits, and I hope that you will stick around to see all of those in action. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel to see more. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload, and I will see you next time. Bye!